Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Measure and combine ingredients to keep this the only way I recommend for a yogurt salad dressing. Use 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 clove garlic mashed, 1/2 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, and 2 tablespoon chopped fresh herbs like dill or parsley. If your yogurt is very thick, whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoon cold water to reach a pourable, creamy consistency. Use plain full-fat or 2% yogurt chilled at 40 degrees F for best flavor and texture. Start by piling the mashed garlic, lemon juice, salt, and sugar in a small bowl and vigorously whisking until salt dissolves and garlic flavor mellows. This prevents raw garlic bites. Slowly drizzle 2 tablespoon olive oil while whisking to begin emulsification, or pour everything into a blender and pulse 20 to 30 seconds to create a silky texture. Avoid overblending, which thins the yogurt. Let the dressing rest 10 minutes at room temperature so flavors meld before serving. Taste the dressing and adjust seasoning. Add up to 1/2 tsp extra salt or 1 tsp honey if you prefer sweetness, or 1/2 tsp more lemon for brightness. Use 2 tablespoon dressing per salad serving. This recipe yields about 1 cup total and serves 4. Drizzle over greens, use as a dip, or toss with roasted vegetables. Store leftover dressing in an airtight jar in the fridge at 40 degrees F for up to 4 days. Always shake or stir before using to recombine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.